In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to your Trello board, a powerful tool for managing projects and collaborating with your team efficiently. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, usually located at the top right of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen. Here you have the flexibility to log in using either your email or your Google account for a seamless experience. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From here, pinpoint the boards section. You'll typically find this under the Your Workspaces header. Inside this section, you'll see all the boards you have access to, including ones you've created or have been invited to. For this tutorial, click on the board to which you wish to add your team members. It's a good practice to double check that you've opened the correct board before proceeding further. Next, locate the Share button on your board. This button is crucial as it opens the window where you can manage permissions and invite team members. Once you find and click on it, you'll see an option to create a link. This allows you to generate a shareable link that you can send to your team members. At this point, it's important to adjust the permissions based on what level of access each invitee should have. You can do this by clicking Change Permissions and selecting between member or observer roles. The member role allows them to edit and make changes on the board, while observer enables them to view the board without making any edits. Once you've set the desired permission, click Copy Link to save the generated URL to your clipboard. This link will be your handy tool to quickly add users to your board. Alternatively, if you prefer inviting members directly via email, you can type in their email addresses in the designated field. After entering an email, click to confirm that person's invitation. When the list of invitees appears, click on the drop down next to their names to further refine their role, again choosing either member or observer. This step is crucial to ensure everyone has the right level of access tailored to their tasks and responsibilities within your team. Finally, don't forget to reconfirm everything by clicking Share again. This ensures all your team members receive their invitations and the appropriate permissions are set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now successfully be able to invite individuals to your Trello board, facilitating better project management and team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Trello tips and tricks.